Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a pretty special video. We're in Coco Cay in the Bahamas, and we're going to be riding the hot air balloon. Come join me as we take in the sights, get the best views of the island, and see everything that there is to offer. Plus, we may even see a shark or two. Let's do it!
It's probably our fourth time here, and it's the first time that How was that?
Absolutely great. You can see the whole island and everybody else's.
Oh my
What's your
goodness.
step?
That's
He said good. He's also it's just short.
Officially known as Up, Up and Away, a ride on the balloon is technically classed as an excursion, so you can book it ahead of time. That said, due to wind restrictions, ride on the balloon are often cancelled, and it's rare for it to operate the whole day. There were a few people in my group who had been to Coco Cay like 4 or 5 times before, and they had never seen it flying. Our guide told us that only on a couple of days in January were they able to operate, and only on a few trips. It goes to say that today we are very lucky to be riding. There was just one trip after mine, and then it closed for the rest of the day. So if you find yourself here and you want to make a trip, definitely make it your first stop.
No worries, no worries.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We've seen enough.
This is gonna be just for the takeoff. After that, you guys can.
Oh,
Okay. All right. How's everybody doing? Good. You guys having a good day? Yeah. All right. First of all, we need to balance the weight. Okay. You guys ready? Ready. Perfect. Okay, hold on the railing. Alright guys, we're gonna feel a little bump up here. Don't be scared, that's me.
After a short briefing, we were on our way. First, we went up about 20 feet or so, and then we went all the way up to about 200.
And you go. Alright guys, this is the time you can let it go, walk around, take pictures and enjoy. Please listen, if you stand all together in the same side of the gondola, of course it's going to lean. It's completely safe but it feels funny, okay? If you don't like it, keep it balanced. If you don't care, I don't care.
As we ascend, you start to see the layout of the island. Looking south, on the left we have Coco Beach Club, and on the right we have South Beach. There are some private cabanas that you can rent, including these ones that are over the water, but the most expensive one is around $2,000 for a day's rental. Aside from that, there's plenty of places to relax that are included. Transport around the island is either through walking or these little shuttles that you see, and straight ahead you can see the Thrill Island water park and our ship docked. In the middle is Chill Island, with what is currently Caribbean's largest freshwater pool, soon to be eclipsed. And as we head back out looking towards the south, it's a beautiful day.
Okay?
I'm good.
It is. That last little bump is the break. We just reached the top of the flight.
Okay.
We are 90 meters off the ground.
sounds
We're
good.
gonna stay here for a while. Enjoy. As I told you before, this balloon can go higher than this, but for safety reasons, we are gonna stay here. Up there, it's the view is almost the same, but the wind is completely different. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Maybe you had it before, but once again, welcome to the Bahamas. The Bahamas is a
See you later.
of 700
See you later.
islands and keys. The name Bahamas, it comes from the Spanish Bahamas, which means shallow sea. If you look at the south side of the island, you can see many shapes and colors because you can see the bottom. That's shallow it is. Difference from the north side of the island is blue, navy blue, deep water. Okay? The tide goes up 6 hours bottom to top, and then down top to bottom 6 hours. In the days of the full moon, new moon, the tide goes crazy, goes extra high, and then goes extra low. When it goes extra low, all this area, you cannot imagine, is completely out of water. Completely. It's technically walkable from this island to the island there in front of us.
Wow.
I say technically walkable because there's absolutely no water. You can actually walk, but the tide will rise. So if you don't measure your time, you're gonna do the swim of your life coming back to the island. Where, yeah, come in. This is your lucky day, man. You're gonna buy the how you call it? Lottery tickets, yeah, man. Hey, what's going on?
Sure, yeah, I'll be right here.
Yeah, that's what
Oh yeah, I can see that. Yeah, especially in the winter, you know, like liquid food, like 4 times a month. Like we do like 3 or 4 times in December, January, another 4 days.
Yeah, that's it. Full on.
Right, yeah, like really low. I think November, I wasn't here. It was October or November. They spent the whole month in the super low zone. They removed this one and get the balloon to the ground because they were expecting hurricane.
Yeah.
Hey man, you see the last cabana?
Yes.
And then from the last cabana is a white sand spot. You see those 2 little stains there? Those are lemon shards. I can tell you from here.
lemon
Probably
shards.
you need
Here,
polarized glass.
come here, Dad.
Because mine, I can see with mine, but if I take them off, look at us here.
Here, mine are polarized. Here, mine are
Yeah,
polarized.
there's that right there.
So look at that last cabana.
No, man.
If you go, there's like a really white sand to the right. There's 2 dark spots.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Those are lemon shards.
Oh,
Does anyone need polarized
Right, but you
glasses?
gotta see, right, you cannot see. Like that.
That's why they there, because it's shallow, super shallow. Yeah. You go deep water.
Ooh-wee.
Just right
Oh, yeah,
in the
yeah.
cabana, there's white
Jared, do you
sand,
have ivy?
and there's 2 dark spots.
Yeah, yeah.
But they're
We still can enjoy the flight. I'm going to start the descent. But you can still walk around, get the last pictures, enjoy.
I got a video.
Ooh, we're going down. What?
Yeah? You are on the lure? Wait.
Yeah,
Yeah. I think the Oasis is the first one in that class.
yeah.
And they take the Utopia is the last one. The last one they did it. And all Louis here.
So, how was the experience? Was it worth it? Well, it's tough to say, because the price will change depending on the season and how busy the island is. For this day in early February, with 2 Oasis-class ships in port, I paid $92 for a last-minute ticket. There were various sales ahead of time, so I could have got it for a lot less. Plus, the ride is only about 15 minutes total, including the briefing, ascent, and descent. For some, especially families, that's just not worth it. For me, however, I give it a solid 5 stars. Being able to see everything from that perspective was the perfect way to start the day, and it was so beautiful I'm afraid to admit that I might have shed a tear or two. Seeing the water glistening in the sea, irreplaceable.
With the tether cooling down, we're gonna probably have some extra shake. Maybe you guys can keep holding because I don't want you to fall down. And also, please, everybody, hold on tight. This is my first landing after the accident.
So, now that that's done, it's time to explore the island a little more and get to relaxing. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Coming up, I still have all of my videos exploring Coco Cay, as well as my thoughts on the ship. I'll see you then.
Yay!